Hi again, guys. Last week I posted this mini Italian brainrot builds that you can make yourself. And today we're back with another 6 mini Italian brainrot characters that you can build yourself too. We'll also dive into each character's backstory, and don't skip the video, because at the end of each character tutorial, there's an unexpected stop-motion short that might just make your day. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Starting at number 6 is Chimpanzini Bananini. It's a green chimpanzee with a pink face and a banana for a body. Chimpanzini Bananini first appeared in a TikTok video by Alexi Pigeon in March 2025, introducing a series of monkey fruit hybrids, including Chimpanzini Cocosini, a coconut monkey, and Chimpanzini Ananasini, a pineapple monkey. However, Chimpanzini Bananini quickly became the most popular of the bunch, thanks to its catchy chant, Chimpanzini Bananini, wah wah wah, Bananucci monkey 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 Yuchi. According to meme lore, Chimpanzini Bananini is a deceptively dangerous creature. Some versions of the meme describe it as highly intelligent, possessing an enormous IQ and the ability to hide in any setting, making it even more terrifying.
Thank you!
Next at number 5 is Svinino Bombondino. It's a fusion of a pig, Svinino, and a bomb, Bombondino, making it one of the most explosive characters in the trend. Svinino Bombondino is depicted as a military-grade pig, engineered for destruction, but with an oddly refined sense of style. According to meme lore, he was originally an ordinary farm pig, but after accidentally wandering into a top-secret weapons facility, he was fused with high-powered explosives. Despite his dangerous nature, he is surprisingly sophisticated, often seen wearing a monocle and sipping espresso before launching into chaotic destruction. Some versions of the meme describe him as a tactical genius. Moving to the number 4 on the list, Blueberrinni Octopussini. As the name suggests, it's a fusion of an octopus, Octopussini, and blueberries, Blueberrinni. Blueberrinni Octopussini originates from the deep sea of fruits from the Mad Kingdom, a fictional underwater realm where marine creatures are fused with food items. According to meme lore, Blueberrinni Octopussini is a mysterious aquatic being, often described as a guardian of the blueberry reefs, protecting them from invaders like Bombardiro Crocodilo and Svinino Bombondino. Sitting at number 3 is Boneca Ambalabu, another character from the Indonesian brainrot trend, blending surreal horror with absurd humor. The name itself combines boneca, Portuguese for doll, and ambalabu, a nonsensical phrase that adds to its eerie mystique. Boneca Ambalabu is depicted as a frog fused with a tire, but with human legs, making it one of the most unsettling creatures in the brainrot meme universe. According to meme lore, Boneca Ambalabu is an evil entity that has recently terrorized people, forcing scientists to search for ways to defeat it. Some versions of the meme describe it as a cursed experiment gone wrong, while others claim it emerges at night, rolling through the streets in search of victims. The meme first appeared on TikTok on February 2nd, 2025, posted by Ofusca Breno, the same creator behind Brr Brr Patapim, another brainrot character. The original video featured an Indonesian monologue describing Boneca Ambalabu as a mysterious anomaly, though the narration was cut short, adding to its cryptic nature. Boneca Ambalabu is considered one of the earliest Indonesian brainrot characters, predating the viral tung 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 sahur meme. The character gained popularity after TikTokers started pitting it against other AI-generated creatures, such as Frigo Camelo, Buffa Fardel, and Tralalero Tralala, in fictional battles. Some meme adaptations describe Boneca Ambalabu as unstoppable, claiming that no known force can destroy it. The meme follows the classic brainrot naming style, where random words are fused together to create a nonsensical yet oddly compelling name. Some TikTok users speculate that Boneca Ambalabu is a metaphor for chaotic urban life, representing the constant movement and unpredictability of modern cities. Slicing in at number 2 is Capuccino Assassino, one of the most dramatic and action-packed characters in the Italian brainrot meme universe, blending ninja aesthetics, coffee culture, and tragic storytelling into a surreal masterpiece. As the name suggests, it's a fusion of cappuccino and Assassino, assassin, making him a coffee-themed warrior with a deadly past. Capuccino Assassino once dreamed of becoming a noble samurai. That dream was shattered when Crocodilo Bombondino, a rampaging aerial alligator, razed the village to the ground. Capuccino was the sole survivor. Lost in despair, he was taken in by a secret dojo, trained and emerged as a lethal assassin. His skills caught the eye of Espressona Signora, the queen of crime, who made him her right hand, and some say her king. Together they ruled the underworld, until she assigned him one final task: eliminate Ballerina Cappuccina, her own sister. But when Cappuccino met her, he couldn't go through with it. They fell in love. Through manipulation, Espressona convinced Ballerina Cappuccina that Cappuccino had betrayed her. Heartbroken and pregnant, Capuccina sought refuge with Ballerino Lololo. But by the time she learned the truth, it was too late. She drank poison, leaving behind a letter from God. Capuccino escaped captivity, but arrived too late to save her. He swore eternal vengeance and prepared for his final battle against Espressona. And finally, our number one pick for this video is Brr Brr Patapim, one of the most mysterious and surreal characters in the Italian Brainrot meme universe, blending cryptic storytelling with absurd humor. The name itself is a rhythmic phrase, adding to its enigmatic nature. His signature chant is Brr Brr Patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim, which means Brr Brr Patapim, my hat is full of slim. Deep within the ancient forests of Patapimia, where the trees whisper secrets and the wind carries forgotten songs, Brr Brr Patapim came into existence. Unlike other creatures, he was neither created nor evolved. He simply appeared, emerging from the tangled roots of the forest floor. Brr Brr Patapim is depicted as a hybrid being, combining features of a proboscis monkey and a tree. His large feet are intertwined with tree roots, while his small hands emerge from his head, giving him an eerie, forest-dwelling appearance. His body is mostly covered in leaves and moss, except for his feet, which remain strangely untouched by nature. According to legend, Brr Brr Patapim was once the guardian of the forest, tasked with protecting the golden hat of Slim, an artifact said to contain the wisdom of the ancient world. However, when he placed the hat upon his head, he discovered Slim, a blue frog, living inside it. Slim constantly chanted Brr Brr without explanation, slowly driving Patapim to madness. Desperate to rid himself of Slim, Patapim sought help from the wizard Tiramisu, who revealed that the only way to remove Slim was by blowing up a balloon. With great effort, Patapim inflated the balloon, and Slim floated away into the sky, disappearing forever. Now, free from his burden, Brr Brr Patapim dances with the wind, his movements resembling the swaying of ancient trees. Some say he still guards the forest, while others believe he wanders endlessly, searching for a new purpose. This character reminds me of Ents, the legendary forest guardians from The Lord of the Rings. Who else here likes The Lord of the Rings? And what other Brainrot character would you like to see in the next video? Leave a comment below. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on bricking.